This video today is like a guided meditation into the state of sacred presence, into the heart space, helping you to bring awareness and focus into the space, which is the doorway to consciousness. So if we take 3 deep breaths in together, breathe in, ha ki roto, ha ki waho, ha ki roto, ha ki waho, ha ki roto, ha ki waho. Now you can keep your eyes closed or you can have them open, just bringing your hand to the space of where the heart is and just feeling that area gently and just bringing your focus and awareness into that space. And just breathing in and out normally with the main focus of dropping into the heart space. So if you can feel the tapping of your hand over your heart, just feel the skin of where the heart is. That is enough to bring yourself into that awareness. Breathing out, in and out gently. And as you breathe in and out, when you breathe in, see if you can hold your breath for a couple of seconds before you exhale. And as you exhale, before you take a breath in, just feel into that space after you have exhaled. There is a gap, a moment between the exhale breath and the inhale breath. There is a moment of a still point or stillness within your being, and it's in that still point that is where the doorway to consciousness resides. And every time you bring your attention into that space, you're bringing awareness to divine source, to your divinity. You're knocking on the door of that space. So just breathe in and out gently, bringing your focus into the heart. So just breathe in and out gently, bringing your focus into the heart. The heart is the tuakana of the body. It holds mana because it is the first space that was beating with a pulse upon conception. It is the first to come into being, into this physical world, well before any other organ, well before the mind, the brain, the nervous system. The heart was a pulse, beating. It's a primordial force. That resides within, and that beat, that pulse that you were in conception, upon conception, is what you are tapping now. You are feeling into that primordial space, that force, that wisdom that is centered in the heart. Take another deep breath in, Hakiroto. Hold for 2 seconds. Breathe out, Hakiwaho. Feel the still point, the stillness. Breathing in and out normally as you prepare to come back into your being, knowing that this pulse, this space, the manawa, is your entrance into source, into primordial wisdom. Ka pai koutou, coming back into your being, feeling your feet on the floor, bringing your hands to the side, and just feeling into that space without any tapping. The manawa, your spiritual heart, will be feeling vibrant and dynamic and amplified. Your electromagnetic field that comes from the heart space will be strong and amplified. Now is the time to bring in feelings of gratitude. Gratitude about things that you are grateful for in your life. Bringing that frequency of gratitude into your being now. Find something that you're grateful for and feel that feeling of gratitude in your body now. Breathe it into every cell of your body. Feel it amplified with your electromagnetic field as it pulses out into the universe, into everybody around you, into your whare, into your house, into the universe. Feel that strong and amplified. Ka pai everybody. Ngā mihi nui ki a koutou.